The marriage dilemma: 3 reasons why men prefer staying single. In today's video, we delve into a topic that has been gaining more attention lately: why an increasing number of men are choosing to remain single and cautious about marriage. We'll explore 3 compelling reasons behind this trend and discuss why it could potentially have negative repercussions for society. Reason 1: financial independence. Many men are prioritizing financial stability and independence. They've witnessed the financial toll that divorces can take, often leaving them with substantial alimony and child support payments. By staying single, they can better control their financial futures and pursue their personal goals. Reason 2: freedom and autonomy. Freedom and autonomy play a crucial role in the decision to remain single. Men value their independence and are wary of potential compromises that come with marriage. Staying single allows them to maintain their personal space, hobbies, and social lives without significant disruption. Reason 3: changing relationship dynamics. The dynamics of romantic relationships have evolved. Some men feel that modern relationships place greater expectations and responsibilities on them while offering fewer benefits in return. They may perceive marriage as a higher risk in today's changing landscape. However, it's important to consider the potential consequences of this trend. A decline in marriage rates could impact society's stability, family structures, and overall well-being. Healthy relationships and strong families have historically been the backbone of thriving communities. While remaining single is a valid choice, it's crucial for individuals and society to find ways to ensure healthy, fulfilling, and lasting relationships. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please share your perspective in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. Let's keep the conversation going.